Hey, what is up guys? My name is Andrup, and if you're already a subscriber of this channel, you guys already know that this channel is about my journey in making money online. And I'm going to be expanding this channel also to like vlogs and everything. But right now, what I want to update you guys with is that I have not been uploading any videos like for a few months now. You guys should have noticed that. I have been working, actually, I went through quite a few business models in this time. I suffer from a lot of shiny object syndrome, and the business model which I am working towards, which I liked the most, and which I saw some like future and success with, is like CPA marketing. Now, what basically CPA marketing is, you provide sales or leads to some company and they will pay you accordingly. It's very high level overview. It's very similar to affiliate marketing but kind of different. So now I have been going through a course basically called Profit Engine System. It is by Gary Kramer and Rob Jones. They both are like super affiliates in ClickBank and other industries also. And it was also promoted by Mark Lang, which is I think one of the top affiliates for ClickBank. So that is what I have been studying last few weeks, and although I have been spending like I have already spent like 5 weeks in Profit Engine, like a month or so. But from today onwards, I'll count this as a new week. Now, yesterday night, I started implementing the teachings of Profit Engine system, and but my account was already like flagged before. I had been trying to run like different types of Facebook ads which were not ethical. Like Facebook doesn't allow those type of ads. So what happened was, like, the ads which I ran yesterday night, they were just simple page like in PPE ads to get my account warmed up again, but my account ended up getting down. It was disabled right away. I think the payment and the payment method and page, both are the culprit in this case. So that was that. Now I have started a new ad account and a new page, and I have just ran a test ad on that. Now the ad is yet to be approved. It could take like up to 10 hours or even 12 hours, because it is the first ad for that ad account towards that page. And I've also used a new payment method, but the thing is my IPs and all are same. So this is all technical stuff. You guys, like the people who are just watching this video, would not be knowing what I am speaking about. So in short, I'll be running ads towards offers, and if the offers convert, if my ads are good enough and they end up converting to make a sale of the offer, I will get paid. That is the basic, like, in a nutshell idea. So and apart from that, I also underwent like eye surgery a few days ago, and that is one of the main reason why I'm like a stone age man right now. I am a caveman, because I can't get my hair cut or beard done right now, because of the after surgery issues and all. So, and apart from that, I don't have much to tell, but I'll be like updating you guys with the Profit Engine journey, and today would mark as the day one for the journey. Um, I will be following Profit Engine quite a bit, but not fully, because I have my own mind and I have learned a lot of things in the past few months, like a year or so, which are like gonna help me, which are bit advanced things, but I think that is the reason they are not taught in the Profit Engine, because Profit Engine is aimed towards people who are completely beginners. So let's see how it all goes, and I'll be implementing all the stuff. I'll be testing out with like low budgets. I also ordered a new debit card for me, and I don't have much to tell you guys right now. I won't be sharing any of the screen in this video, because this is just an introductory video to get you guys started on what I am up to. But what I'll be doing is, from the next video or so, I'll also be sharing my screen quite a few times, so that you guys could know what I'm going through. And not what I'm going through. I'm not suffering or anything. What I'm up to basically, and I'll also be sharing like different things what I'm planning with my stuff, and I'll also be making different type of videos like vlogs, sharing my experiences, face on a cam videos, and different stuff. So that this channel should not be a techie boring channel. It should be a fun channel because this is not my job. This is my hobby. You could say that. I like sharing videos with you guys. I like making videos for you guys, and what my business is CPA marketing, and I'll be expanding on more on it. So yeah, that's about it, and I hope to see you guys pretty soon.